What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I've got a little bit of everything for you. A little bit of everything, to be honest. Okay, let's get number one. As you can see, it's kind of foggy. That's because the humidity is like 100%. Let me clean it up here. Okay. Yes, look at there, HD, baby. 4K, actually. Okay, so here's the deal. If you caught the upload a couple days ago, we did put the 2018 intake on the car. Couple of issues. On my way out to the shop to do it, it was acting up. Obviously, I knew after we were going to put it on there that, you know, the tune was going to need to be redone. So that presented a little problem. But hold on. Alright guys, so the problem is the car is not running right. So not only does it need to be retuned, but I need to figure out what's going on. I don't know if we've got another bad oxygen sensor, throttle body. I don't know. But we're going to get that figured out. Daryl at Wenger Performance contacted him. He's super busy right now. So as of right now, the car has not been back up to get retuned for the 2018 intake. A little bit frustrating. We're going to come back to the car in this upload, but I do have to say the truck is going for window tint, and it's going to have it fixed, basically. But the reason, and I'll show you on the Fox, is, yeah, I know it's dirty. This car was tinted 10 years ago. As you can see, there's no bubbles, there's no peeling, there's no purple. And one thing you probably didn't know about this car, the windshield is tinted also. But my buddy Anthony Devine at Proline Window Tint, which we're going to go meet here in a second, he does every vehicle I've got. He does all the wife's cars. He does all of any car that me or my wife own. He tints them because he takes his time and uses quality film. Again, we're going to go meet him in a second, but I'm going to show you why we're getting the windows retinted. Okay, guys, so as far as the window tint, you can see right here why we're having this redone, because it's already peeling up, and of course you can see right here it's purple. So that is why we're getting the windows retinted. Every time you roll this window down, you hear it. So we're just getting these done. These are the only ones that are turning purple and peeling. So we're going to get that fixed up. That's job number one. One other thing I did, guys, you'll notice these right here. Yeah, I didn't put it in the video. You know, it's not really exciting and entertaining to see stuff like this installed, but these are the factories. These are the ones I bought, and they're LED. They came with LED bulbs, and they're smoked. Like if you open the door, like you can see, it came with LED bulbs, so it's white up here and amber down here. But I thought that was a pretty freaking cool upgrade. Got a lot more planned for the truck. Obviously in the car too, but let's go over there, get the windows retinted, and get back, and I've got some other stuff to show you. All right, boys, we are here. Proline Window Tint. Look at that, had her already. We're in here, she's long. And good. All right, guys, real quick, Proline Window Tint, 731-928-8424. I will have a link in the description, or a phone number, so you can get in touch with them. But yeah, got it in here, and Anthony's gonna peel off the doors and the old purple, whatever you call that, sunshade, and we're gonna actually be looking high quality again. But anyway, guys, like I was saying, Anthony is the man. He's done all the cars that I've ever owned in my entire life. Not every one, but at least 12 of them, something like that. But yeah, he's gonna get after it. I'm gonna get out of his way. All right, y'all, so we are done. The purple tint is no more. Look at that, we're back in black. Hold on, I'm gonna show you the difference again. No more purple. Anthony killed it again, and before I left, went ahead and got the tattoo on the back window. Freaking love it. Always take it to an expert. Always take it to an expert. Anthony, thanks again, dude. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
All right, so that is what is up, guys. We gotta get back to the house. We got some other projects to do, but again, I'll have link and phone number and everything in the description for Proline Window Tint. Check them out. Even if you're not local, it's worth the drive to get quality work done. So, all right, y'all, we're out of here. All right, guys, so we made it back home. Truck is re-tinted. It looks freaking phenomenal. Obviously, I got to leave the windows up for 2 days. But the new strip, you know, the getting rid of the purple, that was a huge improvement. Okay, so a couple other things that I got to do. I know you guys have been giving me all kinds of grief because every track video you've seen, my tail light was out. And so I finally took care of that. And there it is. Yes, sir. As you guys know, I got the Lost Fit LED bulbs in here, which help tremendously with these smoke lights. And my rear lights, my rear lights are smoked also. And so I hit these guys up. These guys are super cool, by the way. They offer a year warranty. These aren't the little cheap ones you find on eBay. They do offer a year warranty on these bad boys, and no questions asked. And so I hit them up. They gave me an exclusive discount code that I can pass along to you guys. 15% off. Just type in code Foxcast, and it's definitely worth it. So got tail light bulb, replacement bulbs to fix the one out in the Fox. And while I was there, yep, gonna go ahead and do the truck. Might as well do the truck. And I was driving the truck the other night. You guys know we put the, or I put the LED bulbs in the truck. Well, the fog light bulbs looked a little different. They were yellow, and the headlight bulbs were that bright white. So there you go, boys. We got fog light bulbs too. Now everything is gonna match up front. We're not gonna have like a yellow headlight or a yellow fog light bulb and nice, pretty LED headlight. So that is the plan. I'm gonna get those in, and we got more to talk about. So let me get these bulbs in. We'll get finished up. All right, boys. So I'm gonna show you the difference here because I think it's gonna be pretty impressive. As you can see, my tail lights are smoked. Yeah, it's daytime, but whatever, you know. See, they just kind of shine through, and it's about the same at night. And I've gotten a few warnings for the tail lights, and I just tell them, they're just stock tail lights. They say Ford on them, as you can see, Ford, but they are a little dark. So we're gonna put these LEDs in there. I want people to see it, and of course I got a brake light burned out on that side. So let's put these bulbs in, see what kind of difference they make. All right, boys. Basically all you got to do is just pull this trim panel back. You get a couple of screws here, and nothing to it. Just pull those out, swap these bulbs out, and we'll see what kind of difference we got. All right, boys, so here we go. There is your stock light. And let's check out the LED bulb. That's a freaking difference, guys. That's amazing. See, that kind of lights up the whole section. This one just kind of barely in the center. And bear in mind, this is in the daytime. I love it. That's a heck of a difference. Like I said, there's the Lost Fit bulbs right there. There's the old school bulb right there. A heck of a difference. I love it. All right, boys, and last but not least, we're gonna do these bulbs. The license plate bulbs. Got them right there. And give me 1 second here. I'm gonna swap this bulb out, put the lens back in, and then we'll compare the difference. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be freaking amazing. All right, boys, let me turn these lights on here. Shut this door so we don't have to listen to it ding. And wow. Even through these ratty old lights, I need to get, or these ratty old lenses, I need to get new ones. But look at the freaking difference. There's your LED. Those are probably the original, but that is a massive difference. Absolutely freaking love it. Great upgrade. All right, guys, so success. We got all the bulbs installed in the car and the truck. So we've got the LED headlights and fog lights. in the truck as well as in the taillights. Then of course the Mustang has taillights, tag lights and headlights. So as far as doing it on these cars, I think it just kind of brings them up a notch or two, because the wiring, a lot of times is so old in these cars, and the old style bulbs in them. Adding those LED lights, especially if you're running smoked lenses, which are extremely popular, they make a huge difference. And it's help you be able to see at night, which is a nice thing. You don't want to wreck your car, especially if you live in the South with all the deer. But yeah, I soaked through my hat, soaked through my shirt. It is like 100% humidity here, and I think the heat index is like 107. So even just breathing will cause you to sweat. Here's the deal, guys. There is a lot coming. I'm getting prepped for next weekend, July 20th. I will be at Scram Speed in Mahomet, Illinois. Dyno Day, meet and greet, all that. If you're anywhere in the Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, whatever area, come out. It's going to be a good time. Food, you get dyno pulls, stuff like that. This car, provided everything is right, because probably in the next upload we're going to be trying to diagnose why the car is acting up. Again, I don't know what it is. It's got to be something simple. And then I've got to get it over back to Winger Performance and have the tune adjusted. So I've got my work cut out for me to get this thing right for the dyno. We're going to see what it makes. Maybe we'll do a contest. Drop me a comment below if you want to do a dyno number contest on the car, because I don't have a clue either. So I don't have a clue. But in the meantime, guys, I hope you like this video. And please, if you do enjoy the truck stuff, which I'm having fun on the truck. I really am. If you do enjoy the truck stuff, drop me a comment below and say, hey, you want to see more truck stuff. And, if ultimately, if you guys aren't watching it, if it's not relevant to you, then I'm not going to do it. Because it's a lot easier to just do the stuff and not have to film it. But anyway, yeah, drop me a comment below, whatever you like. I take all kinds of criticism. I got very thick skin, so I promise you're not going to hurt me. Okay, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and keep it tuned right here. Lots more coming. Later.